580, 590, 600.
It was well worth it.
Will slow the Harrier up. Generally, the script says he will be flying at 0 speed over the ground by riding on an invisible column of air. On board every flight, there must be 60 gallons of distilled water. That is used to cool the jet nozzles at the tail, at the nose, and at the wingtips, as well as the jet thrust coming out of the vent exhaust aft portion that holds the aircraft up. Actually, you will see the water as it mixes with the jet heat and provides a dark smoke cover. There's the second pass at 500 miles per hour. We'll say that the Harrier is an airplane that speaks for itself. Now Major Steve Schreiber will be coming in, slowing the Harrier down. This time, he will deliberately...
Did he not just say before that he was going to come in and slow it down? Oh, no, never mind. He's coming. Okay. So he's like, oh, he's going to slow it down. Alright, I'll keep rolling for that. We're allowed 10 minutes on YouTube for each clip.
He will then face the jet towards
I might put this on my personal one instead of the Stater one. I don't know, we'll think about it.
He will do what we call translating, or moving from side to side without changing the nose heading.
I can't see on this tiny screen. Maybe for the people watching in 720p at home, you'll be able to see this. I'm just tracking based on what my eye tells me.
And he will also be doing a complete circle in the air.
Zoom in.
During some of the loud maneuvers, at which you can cover the ears of your children or have them do it.
Hide the wife and children.
He will also be doing a touch and go, and in that sequence earlier on, he will be doing a gear up bow and a vertical departure.
You don't really have to put your fingers in my ears, thank you.
Used by the United States Marine Corps, the Britain's Royal Air Force, the Spanish Navy, and the Italian Navy. 35,000 horsepower, a Rolls-Royce Pegasus 2 engine.
Oh, that really is slow.
23,400 pounds of thrust. All right.
It's quite a bit of thrust.
Ladies and gentlemen, like any good Marine, the Harrier can get loud and in your face.
Wow. Okay. Apologize to the Marines.
Speak for itself.
the touch and go, but we'll call it even.